Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2026 Brinkley Model 294 Model I, and I believe the I stands for impressive. This has a lot of very cool features and benefits. So this door, the second door, comes out of the bedroom, goes into the bedroom, however you want to look at it. Needless to say, you have a second door. We have a dormitory style and size refrigerator. I want to show you the new handle for Brinkley, and it's so easy to operate. Finger touch, really slick. Nice safety rail. Here's the 294 badging. It's offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Check this storage out. So you have rear storage that opens from the side and or the back. We have a single slide on the off-camp side. We also have the docking station. And I want to get inside. Let me button this up. I want to get inside and show you all the goodies inside. Brinkley badging across the back. You can tell by that high window that it is a bunkhouse. So we'll get inside and check this out. This is pretty impressive. So you have a light switch with LED lighting for the top bunk, plus you have the window, bottom bunk. But check this out. So instead of drawers, you have a flip top lid for the steps, which is pretty clever. Then you have a bank of 3 drawers. You also have a cabinet. Now this has not been dealer prepped. It's closed for transportation, but these doors can slide closed. So I'm going to back up and just talk you through this a second. So if you are grandparents, for instance, you have grandchildren, and sometimes they travel with you and sometimes they don't, use that for storage, close those doors off. And if you're a couple and you're traveling without your children, same thing, storage, close it off. And if your kids are rambunctious and out of control, again, storage, close the doors. Just a great setup. Nice couch, nice fabric, very comfortable. We have theater seating. And what do you have theater seating for? A projector screen TV. So that screen drops down out and covers up the window. And then we have a flat screen, you do have a flat screen fireplace. Then you have a drawer for your controllers and 2 additional drawers. So it's a very nice setup. We'll just pause here and show you this. And again, Model I, and I'll show you the bedroom here in a moment. Here's the projector screen. Very slick. Here's a control panel. Well, I'll show you the control panel in a second. We've got a couple of hooks for hats, keys, gloves, jackets, whatnot, as we peer around. So we have a French door, refrigerator, and then freezer on the bottom. And then we have cabinet storage with a nice deep drawer. And then you have the similar setup with a soft close cabinet, 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, farmer sink, and then we have 3 drawers. We have cabinets, and I might as well show you the way they have this set up. Very clever. Same as in 25 for the Brinkley, but that way you have access to the corners. And then check this out. You have your trash can, and then a great place for your trash bags, and then your paper towels and additional items here. Just a really nice setup. Brinkley has really raised the bar when it comes to RVs. So pass-through bathroom, and let me show you the lighting configuration we have. So you have that lighting there and a back lighting. And then if you notice in the shower, accent lighting. So if you wanted to, you could turn off the main lighting and keep on the back the accent lighting on the shower stall. Very nice setup. Medicine cabinet, commode, hang-ups for your clothing, and then a great place to put your toiletries or things out of the way so they stay dry. And speaking of dry, how about this storage? Dry storage underneath the bed. It's dropped down. Now we have the pass-through storage right there that we saw from the outside. But Brinkley, again, upping their game, make it very nice. So you have shelving, you have the chairs for your dining area, and then you have your comforter, and you also have hooks here for your hang-up clothes or whatever hang-ups you might have. I'm going to try to close this without jostling the camera around. Very nice mattress. Then we have pass-through storage above, additional storage down here, as well as a bank of 4 drawers. And then you have your fuse box. And I showed you this door from the outside. This is the secondary door. Additional hooks for whatever hang-ups you have, and then an area for a flat screen TV if you want one in the bedroom. As we wind our way back out, just a really, really slick setup. Again, it's a 2026 Brinkley Model I, and it's the 294. It's offered by Bill Thomas Camper. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. I really, really enjoy showing you the Brinkleys. I hope you enjoy watching them. Thank you again.